guys, Kiki here, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a clean with me video for you guys. It's the perfect day for it. It's gloomy, it's raining, you can probably hear that. I have a tin roof, it's noisy in here when it rains. And I gotta tell you guys, my house needs a clean. It really does. I spent the last 16 days of 2019 in New Zealand with my family. I tried to tidy up as much as I could before we left, but we left at 3 AM in the morning to catch our plane. So, you know, things were slightly chaotic. I'd remembered to do things like the dishes and empty the bins and clear out my fridge, but we left the bedrooms in an absolute state after packing the night before. My floors weren't done. None of those little extra bits and pieces were taken care of. We've been home now for, well, it's the sixth today. So we've been home for 6 days, and in all honesty, I have done the bare minimum. Hardly anything has been done. We've been absolutely in holiday mode. We were so tired from our trip back, and then there was New Year's and my niece's birthday, and trying to catch up with family and pick up our animals from family that were looking after them, and all that stuff. Plus, you know, we wanted to enjoy those last few days, but my husband was home on holidays. We've spent a lot of time, you know, planning our goals and resolutions, budget and stuff like that for the year. So cleaning has really just been put on the back burner. So between the mess of getting ready for our holidays and the disaster from not really cleaning in the whole week that we've been home, it's pretty shameful, really. To make it worse, yesterday was Sunday, today is my husband's first day back at work, and he meal prepped last night. So he was in the kitchen for, I don't know, 4 hours, so I didn't get in there and do the dishes from the day. And then all of his dishes are there as well from meal prep, and seriously, it's a pigsty. It's so gross, it is so shameful. I really can't believe I'm actually showing you guys my house like this, but this is reality. We all, hopefully all, have our houses look like this sometimes. So in the interest of authenticity and solidarity, this is what my house looks like. So let's get to it. Let's get cleaning this shite hole and make it look like home again. So I just started off by putting on a load of laundry. I always like to do that right at the start of my cleaning so I can hang it when I'm done. And then I've gone and collected all the Christmas decorations that I had in the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen. There wasn't too much because we were away for the Christmas period. I didn't go too crazy this year. And I've just left that all on the table so I can bring up a storage box to pack that away into later. Now I'm gonna tackle these dishes. There are so many, oh my goodness. That's the dishes finally done. Now I'm just gonna spray my benches and give them a wipe down. I'm not too bothered if anything falls onto the floor because I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum that later. Okay, so while those dishes are draining, I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up all of this rubbish on the floor in the toilet. It's just empty toilet rolls and wrappers. Take out the rubbish, and then I'm gonna swish some toilet cleaner around in the bowl and let that sit while I get onto some other jobs. Gonna help me? Duh, I'm not kidding. So I'm just gonna have Winter clean up her toys while I roll away these yoga mats. I had mine out last night and forgot to put it away, which encouraged her to get hers out to do some Cosmic Kids this morning. But that's all right, that's good mess. So I'm just gonna pop those away and then get to straightening up this living room. The living room's just gonna get a quick once over because I'm gonna deep clean that at the end of this week, start of next week. So I'm not too bothered about, you know, under the couch, cushions behind the couch, anything like that. Just wanna make it look a little more presentable. Oh yes, that's right. I haven't quite finished unpacking the very last bag from our holiday. Oh my goodness. And now I'm just gonna give the room a quick vacuum. Tell me, do you clean under and behind your furniture, especially your couch, every time you vacuum, or just when you're doing a deep clean? Like, am I lazy doing this? Or is it just, you know, smart to save it up and do it on occasion? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And now that the toilet cleaner has had its chance to work its magic, I'm going to give the bowl a little bit of a scrub, and then I'm going to use some disinfectant spray just to wipe over all the surfaces of the toilet. I am so sweaty and gross, and I'm probably about halfway through what I wanted to get done today, so I'm just gonna sit down and have a cold drink. This is soda water in my mug, very refreshing, and then I'll get back to it. And now that the vacuuming is all done, I'm just going to give this area a little tidy and a wipe over. It's looking a little manky. on to the mopping. I really like these mops. There's a few different brands. I think this one is a Veleda. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, this is hot water and vinegar and dishwashing detergent. I'm just gonna spin it out and get to mopping. Now it's on to mopping the kitchen. So again, I'm just doing a quick once over today just to make sure there's nothing sticky or icky on the floors, and I'll do a more thorough job when kitchen cleaning day comes around on a Wednesday. Do you have particular days where you focus on particular rooms? I do. I have a set of jobs for every day of the week. I know some people think that's weird and some people think it's just efficient. So let me know in the comments below, do you have a cleaning schedule or do you just wing it? So I've done the dishes. I just need to put them away once the floor in there dries. The laundry I'm going to hang as soon as I finish this video, so that's done. Kitchen table and benches is done. Decorations I have gathered on my kitchen table, but I haven't put those away yet, so that's half done. Straightened up the couch. Had Winter put away her toys. Got rid of that suitcase. I still need to do my desk, but again, the floor's wet. I can't get in here. Let's see. Oh, I've got to put away the dishes separate, so I'll do that and wash the sink when I do it. I've done the landing area here. I have vacuumed, I've mopped, I've done the toilet. The sunroom I'm going to do tomorrow. It's just getting too hot up here to stay up here now. The kids have started their rooms and Nick took the rubbish out for me. So that's almost the whole lot done. Those last few things are really small. Yeah, so those last few things are really small things, so it'll take me like 10 minutes once the floors are dried to get all that done. The Christmas decorations I've still got on the table, I will take those downstairs tonight and put them away then, just because the floor's wet, can't get in there. I'm gonna go downstairs now and cool off in my one air-conditioned room. I will have a planning video up for you guys this weekend all about my no-buy year and how to organize one for yourself. And then next week I've got another cleaning video for you, and that will be cleaning that big downstairs open space living area that we have, and I'll show you how I store my Christmas decorations when I do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it motivated you to clean your house. Please tell me that your house gets as messy as mine was today, because I felt a little shameful showing you guys what it looked like, but that's real life. Okay, so take care for now. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.